Wow, is this real? Today, 9th of August, 2024. You probably wonder, and then why you're videoing the empty space. Yes, because this is rare happens, guys. This area here is always have hanging clothes, you know, like my washing is always full. Another reason why we cannot sit down in this area, because of the laundry is always like, it's always have something hung on this, you know, this hanging rack I have here. But not for long. My daughter is gonna be arrive in a minute, and she's gonna bring full of washing, obviously, from holiday. Good morning, guys. What a lovely start. I mean, I woke up and I see that sunroom. I thought, I need to film that right away. Hindi pa ako nag-good morning. Yun talaga ang inuna ko sa inyo. By the way, I'm wearing the top Uniqlo. I mean, my God. You know what? I see a lot of people wearing this. Honestly, I don't know how many times. I could wear this every day. No problem. Because you don't really need to wear a bra. It's easy. It's easy to wear. That's why I reach for this top like almost every day, honestly. If I don't film a YouTube video, probably this is what I'm gonna wear every day. But the thing is, you might think that, oh my God, sis wear that top again. Sarah's home. I told you guys. Sabi ko naman sa inyo hindi nagtatagal yung celebration natin. What can I say? I don't know what to say. Sarah brought this from Bali, darling. Coffee. And it was the best. So good.
You tried it?
You know me, I like my coffee like not strong. It's so tiny though. It's not enough. Galing ako ng Home Bargain. May binili lang ako, guys. Kasi ang dami kong isda. Yung bigay ng kapitbahay namin. Hindi ko siya maluto-luto sa loob ng bahay kasi nga masyado siyang maamoy. Lalo na ngayon is starting to get cold. So anyway, I bought this thing. Remember, I was talking about this on my vlog. Ano ba to? Are, ang bigat. Alam mo yung outdoor gas stove? Ito yung parang gas niya para humana, of course. So I bought this one, Home Bargain. Actually, that's why they call it a Home Bargain kasi everything is cheap there. But no, it's not cheap anymore. Home Bargain is not home bargaining, guys. Ano na to, guys? 5 piso, 5 pound na to. Whereas before, you can buy this one like probably maybe 2 pounds something, 50 pence. Yeah, 50 pence and each bottle of this one. But I was so shocked. 5 pounds. Sabi ko, Home Bargain is not home bargaining anymore, you know, like, so I was shocked. Anyway, that's gusto ko lang magreklamo sa price. Then ito, Home Bargain and Waitrose is so close. So, bumili na rin ako ng aking apple crumble Danish. Sabi ko, why not, you know. And dadalawa na lang to, sabi ko, kunin ko na. It's a pizza night. My favorite tandoori chicken. Last one. Do a little bit unboxing, guys. Not much. Binaliktad ko siya kasi para hindi makita yung address ko. Sobrang liit lang naman yung order ko. Napakalaki ng box. Oh, Saan yung product? Wala yata. Oh, here. It's a powder. Ang mahal nito sobrang liit. Oh, I did not mean to order that just because of the logo or initial. This is from Rodale. It's called glass powder. But I'm going to try on matured skin. Hindi naman na talaga ako nagme-makeup, guys. Bumili ako ng powder kasi yun nga ang plano ko. After sunscreen, magpa-powder na lang ako. Hindi ko mabuksan, guys. Anyway, baka tumalbog. Baka dito nga, guys. First time ko itong gagamitin. Oh, I see. Okay, that's good. Hindi ko na kailangan siyang, dito na lang itap yung brush. So, yeah, in-order ko siya kasi nga, apparently, it will create a glass skin. Sabi, daw siya, maglilisen daw yung pores. Ang mahal niya. Tapos, guys, by the way, guys, lang to? 10 pounds. In-order ko sa John Lewis. Pero, yung brand niya ay Mango. Pop bowl dress. Meron kasi akong plano kung paano to style. Ang size nito ay size 8. Ayan, itsura niya. Di bali, style ko to. Pakita ko sa inyo how I'm going to style that. Gabi na dito, kaya nakapajama ako. Ito yung guys. Yan. Patay. Parang maiksi. Return. We'll say, style natin. Saka lang. Ito na yung damit, guys. Para akong tanga. Anyway, I'm not going to wear it just like this. Hindi ko talaga siya susuotin ng ganito lang. Siyempre, nagkaedad na tayo. Yung edad natin, bagay-bagayan din natin, no? Size, siya, size 8, which is okay lang naman kasi nga, plano ko talaga sa gamit na to ay, basta, makikita nyo, ito ang plano ko. Ayan, ito yung plano ko, paano ko siya i-style. Right? Don't worry, it's big kasi oversized blazer to eh. Tapos, yung ating trick, it's getting there. Nagkaroon na siya ng dimension. Lalo na pag nag-makeup tayo, mas lalong gaganda yan. So, we're not stopping there kasi nga, yung blazer, it's a little bit boxy, no? We're adding a belt. Wala akong red belt ba? Ito lang yung naisip ko. Brown belt, it goes any color. Napaka ng brown belt, guys. Kahit anong kulay ng damit, okay lang. I want to open this blazer. Just leave it open. Oh, much better. I'm gonna style this red shoes. I had this one for so long. Masyado yata mataas yung camera ko. Babaan ko nga ng kunti. What do you think, guys? I think I look cute. I had this bag for I don't know how many years. This is vintage Chanel. Totoo po ito baka may magsabi na naman, pick. Ay, fake you. May magsabi na naman, fake. Hindi po, fake yan. Yung serial code niya, hindi nyo makita kasi para siyang nandito sa loob. And also, this is better quality than the new Chanel. Old vintage Chanel, the quality is the best.